Hey guys, welcome to my first video on YouTube. My name is Kevin. Today we're going to be learning how to do frequency separation. So to begin, you're going to need to make 2 copies of your background layer. So you're going to rename the first layer low and the top layer high. The high layer is going to be your detail layer. So that's where all the details are going to be held in the image. And your low layer is where the colors are going to be held. Alright, so once you have finished renaming the layers, you're going to deselect the high layer, select the low layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. So you're going to be selecting a radius that blurs the image enough just to get rid of the details from the image. You don't want to go too much or you're going to lose the color. So you just want to go somewhere between 8 and 14. For this image we're going to be using 9. Select OK. And then that will be your low layer. For your high layer, you're going to turn it back on. You go to Image, Apply Image. You're going to ensure that you have all the same settings I have here. So for layer, you're going to make sure the low layer is selected. For blending, you're going to make sure that subtract. Scale needs to be 2. Offset 128. Select OK. Then change your blending mode from normal to linear light. Then you can go ahead and group both layers and rename it frequency separation. So once you have successfully grouped the layers, if you click it on and off, you'd realize nothing changes. That means you have successfully created a frequency separation action. So what you're going to do now is select the high layer, select the clone stamp tool. What we're going to do now is remove blemishes. So you're going to select out in order to sample from an area. Usually I sample from the area next to it, and you're just going to paint. So you're going to sample and paint. This does not affect the colors of the image, it only affects the details. So this is perfect for removing blemishes and so forth. So I'm going to be speeding up this part of the video because this usually takes up a lot of time and I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. Alright, so once we're finished removing blemishes, you're then going to go to your color layer. Just to blend out the skin tones. So you're going to go to your mixer brush tool. Ensure you have the same settings I do. 30% wetness, 30% load, 100% mix, 25% flow. Alright, and you're going to ensure this is checked off, because you don't want it to hold the same sample from a set area. Alright, so once you have that, you can just go ahead and just start blending in colors, blending in your skin tone. Alright, so I'm going to be rushing through this again. Alright guys, so after you finish blending in the colors, here's the before and after. So what I'll be doing is showing you guys the before and after for the final product that I actually did. Thank you so much everyone for being patient with me. I tried to make this video as short as possible. You know, let me know for future videos what you want to see so I can work on those videos for you. And just give this video a like and a subscribe. Alright, also follow me on Instagram at Kevin D. Ferguson. Until next time.